Hey everybody, it's Connie Carr. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick, easy, simple chicken salad recipe that is out of this world. If you need something quick to take to a luncheon or just simply want to have something quick for lunch, this is the recipe for you. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started on this fabulous chicken salad sandwiches I'm going to make for lunch today. So what I've done is I use 1 can of chicken. Now you can go to the trouble of boiling chicken and cutting it up, but I love this because it's quick, it's easy, it really is delicious. So I've already opened my can and I have kind of separated my chicken here, and I just hit it with a little pepper. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get about probably half a cup of mayonnaise. I never really measured this recipe. It's something I kind of thought up on the fly. I tasted somebody else's chicken salad and I thought, oh my gosh, what did they have in that tastes so good? So I just started coming home and kind of experimenting on my own. And when I have a party or anything that I serve this at, everybody's like, oh, I love that. So that's going to look about right, about quarter to a half a cup of mayo. And kind of stir that in. And then I'm going to take Cool Whip. This is my secret here. Cool Whip, you think mayonnaise and Cool Whip, I don't know, but try it. You're going to love it. So anyway, I just put about a quarter cup of Cool Whip. Then I'm going to taste it here in just a minute. We'll stir that in. And you want it kind of thin because we're going to add some other things. So let's do that little number. And I'm actually going to taste it and see if that's how I want it. Yep, that's about right. If you think you might need a little bit more mayo, you don't want the sweetness of it, go ahead and just pour a little another dab of mayo in it. Okay, I took my little handy gadget here and I took my pecans and I crushed them up. And about a cup of pecans here. Now, if you're making a whole bunch, just kind of eyeball it and see if that's how many pecans that you want. But I've got about a cup of them here. Gonna dab that in there. Get all that out. And those are great. Stir those in. And you can see it kind of thickening up with pecans in it. And then, actually, I'm going to put about a quarter cup of these grapes in there. You can use red grapes. You can use green grapes. Anything you want. Actually, I think the red grapes probably give it a little bit more color when I'm trying to present it as on a charcuterie board or something. But David and I just love it because it has grapes in it. But anyway, I'm going to add just a few more. I don't think that looks quite enough. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I had a friend tell me one time, if you're having a bad day, it only lasts for 24 hours. And if you get to thinking about that, that is so true. I just hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Okay, that's all you do is just mix this up. Give it a little stir. I hope you can see how yummy, yummy, yummy that looks. And then what I have that I like to serve hours on are these little croissant rolls. So I just cut them in half. Place it on here like so. Put it back there. The back on. And I do another one real quick. I really hope you enjoy this as much as we do. It's a great fast lunch. Maybe you have a bridge party to go to, something like that. Pile it up there. Put it on there, and you have a delicious, delicious lunch. I hope you have a fantastic day, and don't forget to tell somebody you love them. Go share the love.